Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Kita teruskan kelas Advanced Form 5 Chapter 3 Integration ataupun Pengamiran. Dan ini adalah sambungan daripada video sebelum ni, iaitu 3.2 Indefinite Integration ataupun Kamiran tak tentu. Okey, kita sambung example 8 under the topic equation of a curve from its gradient function ataupun persamaan lengkung daripada fungsi kecerunan. Okey, so example 8, determine the constant of integration C for dy dx equals to 4x square plus 6x square minus 3. Okay, so kita salin dulu. Given the dy dx equals to 4x power of 3 plus 6x power of 2 minus 3. Okay, soalan ini dia nak cari constancy, pemalar pengamiran, the constant of integration. Okay, C, dan diberi given that the y equals to 25 when x equals to 2. Okay, so kita tahu untuk mencari C tadi kita kena integrate dulu. So untuk dapatkan y, kita akan integratekan dy dx, iaitu fungsi kecerunan yang diberi, supaya kita akan dapat persamaan lengkung y kita semula. Okey, so sebelum ni kita dah belajar bahawa y is equals to integration of dy dx against x. Okay, so y equals to integration of the dy dx, that is 4x power of 3 plus 6x square minus 3 dx. Okay, and this equals to, kita integrate term by term, so this equals to 4x power of 4 over 4. Okay, plus 6x power of 3 over 3. Okay, minus 3x plus c. Okay, simplify, this equals to, okay, x power of 4, 3 times 1, 3 times 2, okay, plus 2x power of 3 minus 3x plus c, and this is the y. Okay, so now kita ada unknown y, x and c. So to get the value of c, we substitute the value of y and x given. Okay, that is y equals to 25. So 25 equals to x is 2, that is 2 power of 4 plus 2 times 2 power of 3 minus 3 times 2 plus c, and we solve this, we get the c equals to negative 1. Okay, so the constant of integration c equals to negative 1. Okay, boleh tu? Dan sebenarnya dalam penyelesaian ini kita akan dapat persamaan lengkung kita balik. So what is the persamaan lengkung? The y. So therefore the y equals to x power of 4 plus 2x power of 3 minus 3x minus 1. So this is called the equation of the curve. Okay, look at example 9. The gradient function of a curve at point xy is given by dy dx equals to 15x square plus 4x minus 3. Okay, kecerunan bagi suatu lengkung pada titik xy ialah, okay, ni dy dx. So dy dx adalah fungsi kecerunannya. Okay, so question A, if the curve passes through the point negative 1, 2. Okay, find the equation of the curve. Okay, apa maksud negative 1, 2? Okay, so actually dia bagi negative 1, 2 ni maksudnya ialah x equals to negative 1 and y equals to 2. Okay, so find the equation of the curve. What is equation of the curve? So equation of the curve is y. How to get the y? So integrate the dy dx, we can get the y. So y equals to integration of dy dx against x. So y equals to integration, what is the dy dx given? The dy dx given is 15x square plus 4x minus 3 dx. Okay, so ini cara kita nak dapatkan the equation of the curve, iaitu kita integratekan the gradient function. Okay, so if we integrate this, we get 15x power of 3 over 3. Okay, plus 4x square over 2 minus 3x plus c. Okay, so simplify, we get the y equals to 3 times 1, 3 times 5, so 5x power of 3. This one 2 times 1, 2 times 2, so plus 2x square minus 3x plus c. So now we have the constant c, and to find the c, we substitute the x and y given. Okay, so the y is 2. So 2 equals to 5 times x is negative 1. Negative 1 power of 3 plus 2 times negative 1 square minus 3 times negative 1 plus c, and here we get the c equals to 2. Okay, therefore the equation of the curve is y equals to 5x power of 3 plus 2x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, boleh faham tu Okay. Okay, now B. Subsequently, find the value of y when x equals to 1. So when x equals to 1, then the y equals to, okay, substitute x by 1. Okay, 5 times 1 power of 3 plus 2 times x is 1, okay, square, minus 3 times 1 plus 2. And we get the y here equals to 6. Okay, boleh? Okay, kita bincang lagi satu soalan from formative exercise 3.2. Okay, it is given that the gradient function of a curve is ax plus b. So what is the gradient function? So the gradient function is the dy dx. So kita tuliskan, given the dy dx equals to ax plus b. Okay, then the gradient of the curve at negative 2a is negative 7. Maksudnya apa? So maksudnya pada x equals to negative 2, when x equals to negative 2, then the dy dx equals to negative 7. Okay, and then the gradient of the curve at 0, 6 is 5. Okay, maksudnya apa? So maksudnya when x equals to 0, then the dy dx equals to 5. Okay. Okay, so next, find the values of a and b. Okay, find the values of a and b. So kita nak cari nilai a dan b. So ada dua unknown yang kita nak cari, maknanya kita perlukan dua persamaan and solve by using the simultaneous equation. Okay, then find the equation of the curve. Okay, so macam mana kita nak bentukkan dua persamaan tersebut daripada dua pernyataan, two statements. Okay, the first one, when x equals to negative 2, the dy dx equals to 7. Maksudnya apa? Maksudnya, okay, kita ada ax plus b kan, the dy dx. So, maknanya a times x, that is negative 2a plus b equals to negative 7. So, we can simplify here, b equals to negative 7 plus 2a. Okay, boleh? So, ini persamaan yang pertama kita dapat. And then, from the second statement, when x equals to 0, the dy dx equals to 5. Maksudnya, when x equals to 0, so, a times 0 is 0. So, kita akan dapat b equals to 5. Okay, so dah dapat b equals to 5. So, we can substitute into equation number 1 to get the value of a. Therefore, kita dapat negative 7 plus 2a equals to 5. Then, a equals to 5 plus 7 over 2, then a equals to 6. Okay, so kita dah dapat dah nilai a dan nilai b. Okay, next, find the equation of the curve. Okay, macam mana nak dapatkan equation of the curve? So, kita tahu bahawa to get the equation of the curve, that is the y, we can integrate the dy dx. Okay, so y equals to integration of the dy dx, that is the dy dx is 6x plus 5 dx. Okay, so kita integratekan, kita dapat 6x square over 2 plus 5x plus c. Okay, so simplify, 2 times 1, 2 times 3. And then kita dapat y equals to 3x squared plus 5x plus c. So now we can get the value of c that by substitute any points given. So kita pilih the point 0,6, means that when y equals to 6, then x equals to 0, then c equals to 6. Okay, therefore the equation of the curve is y equals to 3x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay.